Want to avoid getting scammed when buying a phone from Alibaba? Let's dive in. First, head to Alibaba.com and sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Use a secure password. Next, use the search bar to type in the specific phone model you're looking for. Be as precise as possible. Now, filter your results. Select supplier types, manufacturer, then check the boxes for trade assurance and verified supplier. This minimizes your risk. Carefully review the product listings. Pay close attention to the supplier ratings, transaction history, and product descriptions. Look for suppliers with high ratings and a significant number of successful transactions. Read customer reviews thoroughly. See what other buyers are saying about the supplier and the product quality. Don't skip this step. Contact the supplier directly through Alibaba's messaging system. Ask specific questions about the phone's specifications, warranty, and shipping details. Negotiate the price and payment terms. Trade assurance is your friend here. It helps protect your payment until you receive the goods as described. Finally, place your order and pay through Alibaba's secure payment system. Make sure trade assurance is active. Track your order closely and inspect the phone thoroughly upon arrival. If anything isn't as described, file a dispute through Alibaba's trade assurance system immediately.